In the ever-evolving landscape of digital finance, few stories are as thrilling and mysterious as the ingenious cryptocurrency heist that has captured the attention of the world. Imagine a world where vast fortunes are stored in the invisible vaults of the internet, where a single keystroke can unlock millions, and where the line between genius and criminal blurs in the shadows of cyberspace. This video delves into the captivating tale of a heist that not only challenged the boundaries of security, but also exposed the vulnerabilities lurking within the seemingly impenetrable world of cryptocurrency. As we unravel this gripping narrative, you'll discover how a group of audacious hackers orchestrated a meticulously planned operation, navigating through complex blockchain networks and exploiting weaknesses in digital wallets. Their cunning strategies and high-stakes maneuvers will leave you on the edge of your seat, questioning the very nature of trust in a decentralized world. But this story is more than just a thrilling escapade. It serves as a cautionary tale about the unseen dangers that lurk in the digital realms of cryptocurrency. So, buckle up as we embark on this journey into the depths of the crypto underworld, where fortunes can be made and lost in the blink of an eye. Get ready to explore the enigmatic world of digital currencies and the audacious minds behind one of the most remarkable heists in history. Cryptocurrency is digital money secured by cryptography, making it nearly impossible to fake or manipulate. Unlike traditional cash, it runs on decentralized blockchain networks, cutting out banks and putting financial power in the hands of users. At its core, blockchain is a public tamper-proof ledger that records every transaction across a global network. Each block of data links to the next, forming an unbreakable chain of trust, transparent, secure, and immune to central control. Crypto's appeal, skyrocketing profits, and the thrill of a financial revolution. But beneath the hype lies chaos, wild price swings, zero regulation, and a hacker's playground of scams and exploits. Understanding this high-stakes world is crucial because, in digital finance, knowledge isn't just power, it's survival. This wasn't a reckless smash and grab, it was a meticulously orchestrated cyber assault. Months before striking, a team of elite hackers, masters of cryptography and cybersecurity, set their sights on a major cryptocurrency exchange holding millions in digital assets. They probed its defenses, analyzing every weakness, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. The attack unfolded with surgical precision. First, they launched a phishing campaign, deceiving employees into surrendering critical login credentials. With this access, they infiltrated the exchange's internal systems, silently manipulating transactions without raising alarms. The victims? Thousands of unsuspecting traders who had entrusted their fortunes to the platform. As the hackers siphoned off vast sums into untraceable wallets, panic spread. Accounts were drained, savings vanished, and chaos erupted in the crypto world. This heist was a masterclass in deception and technical brilliance, proving just how vulnerable even the most secure systems can be. As we unravel this daring operation, we'll expose the shocking details behind one of the most infamous cybercrimes in cryptocurrency history and the fallout that changed digital finance forever. The audacious heist sent shockwaves through the cryptocurrency world, leaving behind chaos, fear, and a burning question. Who was behind it? As millions vanished into the depths of the darknet, law enforcement and cybersecurity experts launched one of the most intense manhunts in digital history. Task forces were assembled, bringing together the brightest minds in cyber forensics, blockchain analysis, and cybercrime intelligence. Their mission: unravel the hackers' complex web of deception and track down the stolen fortune. But this wasn't a simple chase. It was a battle against digital phantoms. Unlike traditional bank heists, where money trails can be followed, cryptocurrencies move through decentralized networks where transactions are irreversible and, in some cases, untraceable. Investigators combed through the blockchain, following transaction trails that twisted and turned through encrypted wallets, darknet mixing services, and anonymous crypto exchanges. Just when they thought they had a lead, the funds would vanish into another layer of obfuscation. It was like chasing shadows in an endless maze. The tension was palpable. Every hour that passed, the hackers moved their stolen assets further from reach, hiding them behind layers of digital camouflage. Meanwhile, panic spread across the cryptocurrency community. Investors watched helplessly as trust in crypto security crumbled. Users questioned whether their digital fortunes were truly safe, and exchanges faced mounting pressure to prove they could protect assets from future attacks. Some scrambled to tighten their defenses, while others suffered backlash for their negligence, their reputations forever tarnished. As investigators pushed forward, it became clear. This wasn't just a single breach. It was a wake-up call for the entire cryptocurrency ecosystem. The attack exposed terrifying vulnerabilities, proving that even the most secure systems could be outwitted by those with the skill and patience to exploit them. The hunt for the masterminds continued, but the damage was already done. The crypto world would never be the same again. This heist was a brutal wake-up call, exposing the dangers lurking in the world of digital finance. For investors and traders, one lesson stands above all. Security isn't optional, it's survival. Today, we uncovered the thrilling world of cryptocurrency, its potential, its risks, and the shocking vulnerabilities that even the most secure systems face. The daring heist we explored wasn't just a crime, it was a wake-up call, proving that in the digital finance game, security is everything. From the hackers' meticulous planning to the relentless investigation that followed, this story highlights a crucial lesson. Staying vigilant is the only way to stay protected. Whether you're an investor or just crypto curious, understanding the risks and strengthening your security can mean the difference between fortune and disaster. If this deep dive opened your eyes, don't stop here. Subscribe, like, and share to stay ahead in the ever-evolving world of crypto. Your support fuels more content that helps you navigate this digital frontier with confidence. Thanks for watching. Stay secure.